2019 Volkswagen Jetta oil change. With the ski plate conveniently taken off, you can see the drain plug is a little bit leaky. We're just gonna go ahead and heat. Oh wow. What's with all these rags here, bro? Come on. Let's get draining. There we go. We're just gonna get this out of here. Leave it here. Gonna get the filter. Yeah, it's tight. She's tight. Damn. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Come on now. Come on. Pivot this guy so we can just drain the filter. There we go, very nice. Ooh, spill a little bit on my face, but it's okay. It's not the first time, right? Okay, brand new oil filter for you, buddy. You see how the plastic's still intact? A little bit of lubrication goes a long way, baby. Whoa. I caught it. Master at work, baby. Come on. And I know a lot of you say, I'm scared of oil even with gloves on. This is why I don't want gloves on I don't want oil on my gloves. I can't tie shit down. Yeah, there we go.